Is energy band gap of semiconductor by 4-probe method. So the aim of the experiment is to study the temperature dependence of resistivity and to determine the energy band gap of a semiconductor. So the apparatus required to perform this experiment are semiconductor in the form of crystal, thermometer, 4-probe apparatus. So this is the semiconductor crystal, and there are 4 probes placed over that or on that semiconductor crystal, and this is the thermometer to measure the temperature. So full setup is inserted inside the oven. So the formula to calculate the resistivity of the material of the crystal is given by rho is equal to RA by L, where R is the resistance of the crystal in ohm, A is the area of the crystal in meter square, L is the length of the crystal in meter. The unit of the resistivity is ohm meter. The energy gap of the semiconductor is given by Eg is equal to 2.303 into 2 into K into slope divided by 1.602 into 10 to the power minus 19, where K is the Boltzmann constant and the slope is calculated from the graph of log R versus 1 by T. The unit of the energy gap is given by electron volt. The procedure to follow this experiment: first, connect the circuit as in the diagram. Immerse the thermistor in the port in the crystal holder of 4-probe apparatus. Adjust the current at 2 milliamp. This value of current should be kept constant. Then switch on the oven and allow the crystal to heat up to 160 degrees Celsius. Once the temperature reaches to 160 degrees Celsius, switch off the oven and allow the crystal to cool. Now note down the values of voltage for every 10 degrees Celsius fall in temperature starting from 160 degrees Celsius, and the same value of that voltage are noted in the tabular column. So the first column is temperatures in degrees Celsius, and it will start from the value 160, and we have to note down the value at every 10 degree fall in temperature. So next column is temperature in degree Kelvin. After that we have to note down the voltage in millivolt as the temperature fall every 10 degree fall in temperatures. Then calculate the resistance by using the formula R is equal to V by I, where voltage is taken from this column and current value I is equal to 2 milliamp. The resistivity is then calculated by using the formula rho is equal to RA by L. The area and length are given in the observations. Next column is 1 by T. So reciprocal of temperature you have to calculate it in this tabular column and find out the finally log R value in the last column. After noting down all these values, you have to plot the two graphs. First one is log of R versus 1 by T into 10 to the power minus 3 per Kelvin, and other is resistivity in ohm meter versus temperature in Kelvin. From the first graph, calculate the slope value, and the same slope value you have to use in this formula to find out the energy band gap. And the second graph is used to find out the temperature dependence of resistivity, and the same results are noted in the results. That is, the temperature dependence of resistivity of the given semiconductor is studied by using the second graph, and the energy band gap of the semiconductor material is found from the Eg value, and that should be noted in this here.